Welcome to Homework Lib.
So I have a function f of x, and that's 7 plus 2x squared minus x to the fourth. I'm just going to rewrite that. So I have negative x to the fourth plus 2x squared plus 7. I'm going to take the first derivative, so that's negative 4x cubed plus 4x. I'm going to set it equal to 0, and I'm going to factor out a negative 4x. That gives me x squared minus 1. I'm going to now identify my critical values, which are 0 and plus or minus 1. I'm going to plot them on the number line. And I'm going to take my function and plug that into my calculator and choose test points. So negative 2 gives me a positive, negative 0.5 gives me a negative, positive 0.5 gives me a positive, and positive 2 gives me a negative. So my graph is increasing negative infinity to negative 1 and 0 to 1. It's decreasing from negative 1 to 0 and then 1 to positive infinity. Now I want to find local, min, and max. So the shape of my graph is going to be increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So I'm going to have local maximum at negative 1 and positive 1. And I'm going to have a local minimum at 0, and that'll be 0, 7. So now let's just go and plug those x values into our function. Negative 1 gives me 8, positive 1 gives me 8. So there are those values. Now I want inflection points, so I'm going to need my second derivative. That's negative 12x squared plus 4. I'm going to set that equal to 0, and I'm going to factor out a negative 4, and that gives me 3x squared minus 1. So 3x squared minus 1 equals 0. That gives me x squared is a third. So x is plus or minus radical 3 over 3. I'm going to plot those on a number line. And that's about negative 0.57 and positive 0.57. Now we're going to test in that second derivative. So if I put in negative 0.57, I get out a, if I put in something smaller than negative 0.57, I get out a negative. 0 gives me a positive. Then I have a negative. Down, up, down. So I am concave up from negative radical 3 over 3 to positive radical 3 over 3. And then I am concave down from negative infinity to negative rad 3 over 3. And union from positive rad 3 over 3 to infinity. inflection points are at x equals negative rad 3 over 3 and x is positive rad 3 over 3.